Unify.
Yeah, I guess it's a good place to learn. There are a lot of live projects where I'm being involved with. So,
IT.
so I guess it's a great learning experience going to be with led by Sabya sir and Vikram sir. Yeah.
It was very nice. IBS, when I joined IBS, I was new to this industry, so I didn't know a lot about it. But people in IBS were very, very helpful. The HR, all the employees, everybody was extremely helpful. Everybody was very, very friendly.
Fun. It's like Cadbury gems, colorful and chocolatey.
इंटरफेस के बारे में एक मतलब बेस्ट थिंग ऐसा है कि जब भी मैं काम करता हूँ तो भी ऑफिस में ऐसा लगता नहीं है, मतलब कितना भी काम हो कुछ भी हो, लेकिन टिपिकल जैसे ऑफिस में होता है कि हाँ बहुत सारा काम है काम करो, ऐसा कभी नहीं लगता है। बस अपना काम चल रहा है और एवरीवन मतलब काम तो कंप्लीट होता ही है।
ইন্টারফেস এমন লাগে যে মনে হয় যে ফ্যামিলির মতো, খুবই ভালো লাগে। ব্যাস।
A cool place to hang out.
42.
I think it's 18 plus.
I think we won 15 awards, won 5 till now.
We have won a Grand Prix and that's all matters, right?
Okay, but how many in total?
It doesn't matter, we won a Grand Prix.
You don't remember them?
Yeah, that's it.
It's in the PPT, I will revise it.
Revise the PPT or revise your memory.
Okay, done.
What do you think of Sabya?
अरे रुकना है, अगर बाद में बोल दो ना, रुकना ये मेन
Okay.
47 awards.
The thing that I've learned is like your learning is a very important curve of life, as sir has mentioned. So you need to learn first, and then like success will automatically come to you. So like never go for your never look into salary or something, but learning is the most important perspective of.
From Sabya sir, first thing is he is very disciplined. Discipline is one of the things I have teach from him. And other thing is he let me know how to answer your clients, how to speak with clients, so that we can manage good relation with him, but he will not tolerate us. That's it. Thanks.
अरे हाथ वाला एक्सप्रेशन अरे कुछ तो बोल, तुषार कपूर की तरह यू वो कर दो कुछ तो बाद में बता दो।
One, I learn to be on top of things if I'm working.
Okay, that sounds bad.
Lots to learn from anything. Any meeting you attend with them, it's great fun to see. Like, you know, the client doesn't speak and Sabya goes on and on. He's got every answer, like, you know, no question, like, you know, can go without him saying anything. And he's bang on perfect. Yep, that's it.
I've learned a lot from Sabyasachi Mittal. I had to once work on a presentation with him, and he actually bugged me to make sure that the formatting was right, to make sure that the backgrounds of the presentation were right before he even read the content of the presentation. So that was obviously one big learning that I've taken. And how to actually make good presentations, if nothing else. And the last thing is obviously whenever I do, everyone gets.
Sabya sir has been truly inspiration in my life, at least from where I am right now. He's taught me that you have to work to learn and not work to earn, and that really touched my life. Truly a man who knows his field very well, and an innovator in every way. Right now I'm away from Interface, but hopefully we'll return back and we'll have the privilege to work with him and learn more. I hope to come back and see you all.
Okay, so I'll start with the day I came for an interview over here, and I was more excited about my US trip. Cyrus remembers. Then basically having job in my mind at that point of time. So I remember when I first entered the room, in the conference room, and when I saw the amount of awards we had, I guess that was pretty impressive enough. And after speaking to Sabya, I guess at that point of time I did make my mind that if I have to, my next stint should be this place, because one, of course, 38 awards in 2 years is definitely extremely impressive. And of all the many people and the many bosses I have worked with, Sabya has been one of the most impressive, most bullish about things, have a foresight, and the best part is he doesn't run and beat around the bush, be it with clients or internally. So it's an extreme pleasure to work with such kind of a people, because it kind of, you concentrate more on the work rather than beating around the bush and proving point to people for no reason. Post that, once I joined, I guess it's with only the work in Treason, I guess it's a pleasure to have so many clients, working with you. While we have our tryst with the clients and the day-to-day maramari, but I guess from
first day interface was a good learning experience. Everybody around is very nice and crazy and fun. So it's a good place to come to every day. It doesn't feel like you're coming for work. Everybody's damn fun.
Yeah, I know. Hari, have you seen those?
How many users will be there?
I joined Interface in December, and the first day itself, I heard Sabya telling the whole team that you're doing shit work. The following week, we won the South Asia Best Agency of the Year. This experience sums what Interface is. We aim for the best, but at the same time, we are modest. Now close it.
My first day at Interface, I thought I will have no work, but my first day itself at Interface, I had so much of work that I felt like, wow, I'm not coming tomorrow. I'm not coming tomorrow. But I would like to thank Interface because they paid me my first salary and I could get my fringes cut. So yeah, thanks to Interface for my fashion decisions. Thank you.
IBS Interface, I think when I joined the first day, the only thought that came to my mind is, I think all the software kind of services, multi-dimensional, they are available here under one single roof. So it's going to be great working with IBS.
Thank you. जब भी मैं ज्वाइन हुआ था तभी 2-3 महीने बाद एक साइड लाइफ जाने वाली थी, कुछ टाटा टेली सर्विस था, और मॉर्निंग में हम लोग 5 बजे या 6 बजे निकलने वाले थे। तभी निशा मैम ने एक चॉकलेट्स और चाय लेके आई थी मॉर्निंग में, और हम लोगों को सबको हर एक को चाय और एक चॉकलेट दिया था। तभी परिषद भी था और वो बहुत खुश हो गया था। बस और